Today, I'll walk you through how to remove a Teamspace in Notion. Start by opening Notion in your browser or desktop app and signing into the workspace where the Teamspace exists. Make sure you're in the correct workspace first, because Teamspaces are managed separately inside each workspace. Once Notion is open, look to the top corner of the screen and click your profile icon or workspace menu. This opens the account and workspace options. From that menu, click Settings. In some versions of Notion, this may appear as Settings and Members, but the goal is the same. You're opening the workspace settings where Teamspaces are managed. Now, in the Settings panel, click Teamspaces. This section shows all Teamspaces available in that workspace. From here, find the Teamspace you want to remove and click on it. Be careful to choose the correct one, especially if you have several Teamspaces with similar names. After opening that Teamspace's settings, look for the option called Archive Teamspace and click it. In Notion, Teamspaces are typically archived rather than permanently deleted right away. So this is the option you're looking for when you want to remove it from active use. At this point, Notion may ask you to confirm the action. If it does, type the exact Teamspace name into the confirmation field. This helps prevent accidental removal, so make sure the spelling matches exactly. Next, if Notion asks what to do with the pages inside that Teamspace, choose Proceed without moving pages if that's the option you want. This means the Teamspace will be archived without relocating its content first. Before confirming, make sure that's really what you want, because archiving can affect access to the pages inside it. Once you confirm, the Teamspace will be removed from your active Teamspaces list. You should see it disappear from the normal workspace view, which tells you the process worked. If you don't see the archive option, it's usually because you don't have the required permissions. In that case, you'll need to be a workspace owner or have the right admin access to manage Teamspaces. And that's how you remove a Teamspace in Notion. Thanks for watching.